Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update a product in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all you need to do is to make sure that you are in your WordPress admin panel. After that, you will need to go to the product list. So from here, we are going to click on all products and simply you will be needing to click on updates. So as you can see, here you can click on edit and this way you will be able to start editing and updating your products. You can have also a bulk update. For example, you can just click on edit and click on apply and you can edit all the products. So you will need just to click on edit and after that you can simply start updating your own products. You can update its description. You can also update the category. You can add new product tags and whatever you like. Also, you can go to the general. You can start having some tags in. So either shipping only or the products will be uh, taxable. You can also have some inventory updating, like adding an SKU number, so you can start tracking your products, etc., etc. And basically, you can update anything in your product, and at the end, you will be needing to start using the product. You will need just to publish the product, and by clicking on publish, you will save all the changes. Or you can simply have save as drafts, and you can also start previewing your product. And basically, and simply, this is how you can start. Uh, updating your product in WooCommerce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.